Citrix Workspace tutorial for beginners. You can install software directly on your PC, run it locally, and access files stored in your computer or network shares. Now what Citrix Workspace does is when you use the Citrix Workspace app, you're connected to virtual apps and desktops hosted on remote servers not running locally. You're basically using someone else's device and controlling their device through a sort of a screen share. So first we need to download Citrix Workspace. We're going to type in Citrix Workspace, and here the latest version is 2503.10 for Windows, so we're just going to download that. Let's download this file. The exe that we're going to download is 420 megabytes, so it shouldn't take that long. Now let's open this exe file. Let's click yes. From here, let's continue. Let's agree, and let's select none of these add-ons and install. And it's going to be installing the Citrix Workspace app. After the installation, open the app and click Add Account. Enter the workspace or storefront URL provided by your IT administrator. Alternatively, some setups may support email-based account discovery, where you just enter your corporate email and the app configures the connection automatically. Sign in using your credentials, username and password, and complete any multi-factor authentication. You'll see a workspace interface recognizing your resources. The Apps tab contains all your virtual applications. Desktops tab shows available virtual desktops. Click any icon to launch the app or desktop. Within virtual apps or desktops, use the File and Save As menu to store files to your local This PC location or mapped network drive. Managing multiple stores. Citrix Workspace allows connecting to multiple stores, not just one centralized workspace. You can manually add storefront URLs, Citrix Gateway stores, or configure your workspace via email-based discovery. IT admins can also automate store configuration via group policy or provisioning files. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.